up. Let's go. Oops, sorry. Hey guys, I'm heading to the first McDonald's here that opened up here in Moscow, Russia. Yeah, nice bike. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna do a video that I'm trying the McDonald's of Russia. I just took the subway. So here you go. Now, good. Double dinner. Let me try this English.
Push. And choose language, yeah.
Japanese.
Yeah.
And okay, I'll get a cheeseburger. Combos. I'll get Mexican. So I just wanna let me get a big special mushroom chicken. I'll probably get the triple cheese burger combo. Boom. Okay, so triple cheeseburger combo, just regular. Okay, select. I'll just get a medium fries. Okay, get that out. I'll get a regular ketchup. Okay, ketchup here. So drinks, I'll get a cold drinks. I'll get a, what do I get? I'll get a, here's a Coca-Cola, right? Okay, Coca-Cola. I'll get that.
Oh, the Russian one.
Okay, Russian, yeah. And what else do I do here?
No thanks.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, add to order. Okay, I got the triple cheese, fries, ketchup, the Russian Coca-Cola, which is Coke. Add to order. Okay. Complete order. There you go. Proceed to check out.
Yes.
That's it. Hey, hey, I gotta pay with.
Yeah, do you have card?
No, I don't have card. I have to beg for food. Okay. Okay, so I got my number. So it's 568. So look at the queue. So that's the number there. You can see. So if it's green, it's already done. And if it's gray, you're still waiting online on the queue to get your number is ready. Okay, so that's basically it. Everybody's hungry now, so I'll collect my stuff and show you the McDonald's. Okay, thank you very much. I ordered the triple cheeseburger, regular fries, and the Russian Coke. So it cost me about 464 rubles. 464 rubles. I'll put the conversion below. Okay, and you also have to order a side of ketchup as well. Okay, they have ketchup. So let me try the Coca-Cola first. Okay, so let me try that. Slightly a little bit different taste from the regular Coca-Cola. I think it's less sweet compared to the regular Coke. So let me try their French fries. Actually, their French fries compared to the Malaysian French fries, it looks way much better. Yeah, tastes much better than the Malaysian French fries. Let me try dipping that in the ketchup. Okay. Not bad. Ketchup tastes like ketchup, like all the regular ketchups. Pretty nice. Okay, let me try. Let me see how the triple cheeseburger looks like. Okay, see how it stacks. It's a bit more thicker compared to the Malaysian type cheeseburger that we ordered. Okay, so inside we put the cheese. Okay, triple cheese. Okay, and 2 patties. Let me try it. Okay, see what's the difference of the taste. They have pickles inside. Actually, the cheese tastes much better compared to the Malaysian cheese. And the meat tastes much better compared to the one in Malaysia. Not bad. The bread's more. The bread tastes better. The bread texture is much better. The cheese tastes much better. Yeah. That's it. The burger here tastes much better. I mean, like it tastes like the regular McDonald's that you eat. Nothing has changed. Okay, for me, for my opinion. Okay. Not bad, but the Coca-Cola definitely tastes a little bit different. The Russian Coca-Cola version. Okay. They do put more pickles inside compared to the Malaysian McDonald's. the meat is not dry compared to the one in Malaysia. So definitely the McDonald's here is much better if I compare it to the Malaysian one. Anyway, so I mean I can say that the McDonald's here, the Russian version of McDonald's tastes much better compared to the Malaysian McDonald's. Okay, so that's basically it for my food adventure here in Moscow, Russia. Okay, so don't forget I'll leave the description below on the location of the first ever McDonald's here in Russia. Okay, okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button and comment. Yeah, I'll see you again next time.